The Lock/Unlock button can lock or unlock all doors with one short tap. You can also enable double-click unlock by entering the vehicle settings, vehicle control interface, and turning on double-click unlock function. Pressing the unlock button on the Keyfob once will unlock the driver's door. Pressing it again within 10 seconds will unlock all doors. When the approach to unlock function is enabled, the doors will unlock or lock automatically when you approach or walk away from your car carrying the Keyfob. Enter the vehicle settings, vehicle control interface, where you can turn approach to unlock, walk away to lock function on or off. Long pressing the unlock button can open all windows with one tap. Long pressing the lock button can close all windows with one tap. Long pressing the liftgate switch button on the Keyfob can open or close the liftgate. Short pressing the same button during the opening or closing process will pause the liftgate movement. Pressing the lock button on the Keyfob twice can enable the Find My Car function. You can set Find My Car alerts on the center display by entering the vehicle settings, vehicle control interface, and choosing between horn and flash only. In the case of Keyfob malfunction, you can turn the Keyfob cover clockwise to open it and take out the mechanical key to lock or unlock the driver's door. Turn the key counterclockwise to unlock the door or clockwise to lock the door.